In my opinion, this scaffold is the ultimate to date for swing scaffold on a high-rise building. My understanding is that it was created by a bricklayer for a bricklayer, and that's definitely the way that it is. It's a very good, safe, efficient product, and I would highly recommend it to anyone.
The new Easy Scale scaffolding system is the most efficient and cost-effective suspended type scaffolding on the market today. Easy to assemble, easy to use, easy to save. The unique design of our scaffolding will reduce your labor cost and help to increase your profit margins. On every job, your men will work with greater safety, greater comfort, and greater productivity, bringing greater profit to your bottom line. Developed to be used in masonry construction, this adaptable system can handle the challenge of the most demanding job site. Thoroughly tested for safety, our scaffolding performs smoothly and reliably in all types of weather. Easy Scale scaffolding was created by Remo Pizzo, who started his career as a mason and spent over 35 years as a masonry contractor.
I'm a masonry contractor, and I've been working with a number of systems to scaffold, and in a sense we tried to develop a system which is simpler, safety, and very workable. We work with other types of scaffold, which it was a lot of labor intense. There was dinosaur, and this is the light and the fast and the easy.
Compared to other scaffolding methods, our system is extremely simple to set up, operate, and tear down. When you use Easy Scale on a project, you can expect a significant reduction in man-hours and labor cost.
Since we started using Easy Scale, I would definitely say the productivity has increased. Now, whether it's because the actual masons on the scaffold have more room to work, or whether it's because our mechanics can move it gradually up the building as we're going. You don't have to come off the scaffold to lift it. You're continuously working. We're not exactly sure why it has increased, but we definitely do know it made life a little bit easier for us.
Let's go now to some job sites where you can see how Easy Scale can save you time and money. Whether your building is 5 stories or 50, the setup of our scaffolding is fast and easy. A series of square steel beams are anchored to the floor slab or the roof and support the scaffold throughout the project. We secure the beams to the building by various anchoring methods depending upon the type of roof or floor slab construction. For poured-in-place concrete slabs, we use 2 heavy-duty anchor bolts to secure the beams in place. For metal deck or hollow core slabs, we use threaded rods and steel plates. We do away with time-consuming labor costs by placing the beams according to a pre-engineered layout. A shorter cantilever of the outrigger beam decreases the uplift and fulcrum load by 50% more than our competitor's suspended scaffold. By using square beams for support, we eliminate the need for costly sway bracing and provide remarkable stability for your masons. Because every construction site is different, Easy Scale offers an adjustable bracket and extension plates to fit any condition. Our system adjusts quickly to accommodate sites with no parapet walls, with low parapet walls, and with high parapet walls. By combining brackets of different heights, Easy Scale handles corners and irregular surfaces with ease. Most importantly, our scaffolding system needs to be set up only once for every project. Other systems need to be re-rigged several times depending upon the height of the building, but not Easy Scale. Your masons never have to stop work to wait for scaffolding to be rebuilt or repositioned, and as a result, your labor cost will be lower than competing systems. The scaffolding frames can be assembled at ground level, which makes the process fast and very safe. Or the frames can be set on the floor and swung out at any other floor level. Few parts and a simple design mean labor savings for you. With EasyScale, you save on planking too. Just one level of planking is all that is necessary for the entire system. And once in place, the planks never need to be repositioned. By eliminating the need for heavy moving equipment and extra man-hours, the EasyScale system is assembled in less time than competing systems, saving you time and money on the job. Structurally, it's easy to see that this system has been developed by an experienced mason. The frames have a raised center support specifically designed to keep masonry supplies always at waist height. This is an ideal working level for masons. It reduces back strain and keeps bending and lifting to a minimum. Your men can work at peak productivity for the entire day without suffering from fatigue and muscle pain.
Yeah, the raised center planks on the EasyScale is a big factor in the productivity because they're minimizing bending down to pick up the brick and the mortar, and they all love it.
The platforms are wide, allowing for free movement of men and material. And for winter convenience, the entire scaffold can be rapidly enclosed and inexpensively heated. To guarantee safe and constant control when raising and lowering the scaffold, our system depends on hoists and wire rope. Even when fully loaded, the platforms are instantly adjustable. One handle powers 2 hoists, and one man can raise the scaffold 6 feet in just 4 minutes. At EasyScale, we make safety a priority. Each separate frame is supported by 2 hoists and interlocked with 2 parallel cables per section. The position of these cables balances the center of gravity, reducing the swing factor and creating a stable, safe working platform for your men. Even if a cable should fail, repeated tests have proven that a fully loaded scaffold will shift only 1.5 inches off center. For extra safety, the frames also support guardrails, toe boards, and overhead protection. Regular maintenance of all parts between jobs guarantees you and your men the highest level of safety from our equipment. At EasyScale, we believe the best scaffolding system and the cheapest in the end is the one that saves lives. EasyScale scaffolding will increase your productivity, reduce your labor cost, and increase safety for your workers. Best of all, EasyScale will bring more profit by saving you money every day.
The way EasyScale arrives on a job site is very convenient because everything's banded in bundles and crates and bins and color coordinated and different situations for cross bracing and cable lengths. So to separate and to use the pieces that we need are very convenient.
Well, the adaptation of the system itself to whatever building you may come across, whether it's a 24-storey building, 33-storey building, or a 3-storey building, regardless of whether there's balconies on the building, the fact that your scaffolding is split into like anything from 5-foot to 8-foot sections means that we can go around any corner, we can go into a recess, 2, 3 feet, 5 feet, whatever we need to do. We can break the scaffold, move it at different levels. Basically, we can do what we need to do with the scaffold.
My understanding is that it was created by a bricklayer for a bricklayer, and that's definitely the way that it is. It's a very good, safe, efficient product, and I would highly recommend it to anyone.
Here is what some of our clients are saying about EasyScale scaffolding. I would like to take this opportunity to express our total satisfaction with the relationship our company has developed with your firm. It is not too often we can convey our thanks for product, service, and dependability. Frank Renna, President, D'April Incorporated, Mason Contractors, Belmore, New York. Easy Scale system made it an easy decision. Ease of installation, not having to use extension cables and washdown. One cable length, no matter how high the existing structure happens to be. And it's safe. McNally Masonry Incorporated, New York. In the course of our work, we have had occasions to use Easy Scale scaffolding. In each instance, we have found that the use of this scaffold has made the performance of our work run smoothly to the extent that our productivity increased. From the early stages of the project, we have found the personnel at Swing Staging have been more than helpful in laying out the scaffold for the project and coming up with ways to maximize the performance of their equipment. Navalis has no hesitation in recommending this equipment to others. Navalis Contracting, New York. Easy Scale scaffolding makes it easy to save. Easy to save money. Easy to save time. Easy to save lives. Next time you need scaffolding, make it easy on yourself. Choose Easy Scale.